Hey guys, this is Eric again. Um, I'm still in Dominican Republic. Sorry it's been a few days. I've just been busy traveling from one city to another and checking out the beautiful countryside and beautiful ocean of Dominican Republic. Right now I'm in Playa Alicia, not too far from Sosua Beach. And it's just a beautiful place here. It's just awesome. It's beautiful. Cost of living is a lot more economical here than anywhere else I've ever been. Um, had some awesome fish last night, and it was $8-9. Oh my God, this food is just so different. Everything I've tasted here, even the eggs are different here. So if you guys never been here, it's good to try it out. If you want to retire, just come here. I got all the details. You subscribe and I'll give you all the details about this place. I'm here now, don't leave till Friday. I've been here ever since last Tuesday. And I flew in at Punta Cana. Had family and friends hook us up at Cape Cana, which is a resort down there. And then we drove, got a rental car and drove from there to Santo Domingo for dinner and lunch with some friends, and we stayed there for a long time. Ended up spending the night, and then got a bus from there to Santiago, and then onward to Cabarete, and then to Sosua. So we're gonna stay here until Friday. Friday afternoon we'll be flying back. Flying into Newark, New Jersey. American Airlines. Love that airlines. We'll see how good they do. And then from there to Dallas, Texas, and then from Dallas, Texas back to Vegas. Also heard that we flew up here nonstop again from Vegas to Panama City from Copa Airlines. And I'm telling you, the service is exceptional. The food is all the food and drinks you want. It's all free once you get on board, and the bags are free too. Bags fly free. So it was an awesome experience. We'll keep you guys posted as we travel from place to place. We're gonna be back here again pretty soon. Let you guys know the ins and outs of this country, the do's and the don'ts. You always gotta remember, when you're in a different country, you gotta follow by their rules and regulations, and don't get yourself into nothing or something that you're gonna regret. Keep your passport close by, and know your surroundings, and don't get too friendly with people that you don't know, because they're also going to be a problem. You remember, you're in a different country, and we're hundreds and thousands of miles away from our hometown. And I'm from Vegas, so we're 3 hours behind the East Coast time. Yes, so this is a awesome place, awesome country. And you guys ever come here, you can love it. You're gonna love it. It's good. I met people that retired to stay here, and you can actually get a condo or get an apartment for anywhere from $200 to $400 a month. And moment that covers everything: utilities, cable, everything. You can just chill the whole time. Food is cheap. And I look at the United States as being the Matrix. The Matrix is no joke. They will eat you alive, the taxes and everything else. But once you come ashore, they can't tax what you've got through retirement. Even I'm seeing people here that has disabilities, military disabilities, or just regular disabilities. And they're on fixed income. They come here and live like kings. I mean, it's up to you. It is what it is. What you want is what you want. Some people are afraid to go abroad, but I got a passport. And I've had that passport for 2 years. I spent a lot of time in the military, and I travel to other countries, other regions. And it's different when you get out in the military and you can do things on your own and figure out what's really going on. So that's what it's all about. That's really what it's all about. And so this is an awesome, beautiful place, and you can see the ocean behind us. And restaurants is all around us. condos all around us. And people are just living life large. They're just loving life, man. I mean, just loving it. Look at this. Relax on the beach. And this is what it's all about. So this is one of the few countries that I've been. I will be traveling a lot more. With the divorce, so that kind of tied things up with the divorce, and it kind of hindered me from going out of the country. But now I'm back on the grind, back in the swing of things. We'll be traveling, meeting some new people, eating some good new foods, and just having fun, because life should be enjoyed. It shouldn't be stressed. It shouldn't be complicated. You only got one life, so you want to enjoy your life and just live it to the fullest. That's what life's all about. So I'm sorry I haven't contacted you guys since the other day. We hit the ground running. There's been a lot going on, me and my wife Tina. And I tell you, the food is really the God. The food is off the chain. We have not had one bad meal since we've been here. I'm talking about all kinds of meals we've had. All kinds. Linguine with shrimp. It's just so hard to tell you guys all. Hopefully I'll do a video. I'll shoot a video tonight whilst having dinner, and you guys can see. Got good whitefish here. Good whitefish, and it's really good. I mean, it's really exceptional. But you won't know till you leave the matrix, till you leave the country and go somewhere, that you've never been before. Okay, so listen. Peace. Talk to you soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you're seeing and hearing, hit the subscribe button. Stay connected. We can go from there. So in the meantime, talk to you soon. It's Eric. Over and out.